Hi friends, good morning everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to teach you about, I'm going to teach you about an important table, which will give you the list of fields which are provided by SAP in MM17 in case of material. If you take overall transaction, mass transaction, what are the list of fields you can know from this table. For example, if you go to mass transaction, MASS, let's take any one object type, purchase orders, BUS 2012. There are multiple tables and respective information, everything will be there, right? You want to know that what are the list of fields, these fields list you want to know. So how to get that? There is an SAP Standard Table which can provide you those list of fields. Let's go to the table, SE16N. Table is mass FLD LST. Here you can pass the object type, for example, BUS 2012. You want to know the list of fields which are provided in mass transaction, EK, KO. Execute it. Mm. 2012. That's deleted, I think. Okay, let's take any one of them which are available. Let's take maybe sales orders. You can pass the table or else you can execute it. So system will show you the list of the table and the field names under sales order. Okay, you can check for any other thing also. For example, if you want to check for the material master, maybe you want to see Mara. So system will show you the list of fields and the table under the table and under the object type. So you can use this table to know this, what are the fields available in mass transaction if you want to make any changes during your project. I hope this video has helped you to understand about the list of fields available in mass transaction without verifying manually. You can download and you can check in your Excel sheet or anywhere how you can verify it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you about the value in MB52 transaction. For example, let's go to MB52, the stock report, pass any plant and the storage location. So you will get the list of materials along with the stock and the value. Okay, let's take any one material. Let's take 251. Okay. Because if it is single line, that will be helpful for you to understand easily. So here you can see that quantity is 25, value is 1650. Now go to /O MM 03 251. Go to the accounting one view, org levels, GKP1 plant. Here you can see that moving average price 66. Okay, and the total stock is 27. So now if you can come here, so 1650 by 25. And also there is some quality inspection is there. So that also we can just keep it. 132, quantity is 20. This is value, this is quantity. If there is no quality stock and all, then it could be easier for you to understand. Let's 40. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, put a formula, Okay. Say both are 66. So that's no need to worry on that, because always the value will be taken from the price in the material master. That's what I wanted to tell. So what the price we can see here, when you're checking this material master, okay, see here, moving average price. If the material is managed in standard price, for example, here the price control is V. If it is standard, system will get that value based on the standard price. So finally, the answer is the value in MB52, whether it can be understood stock value or quality, whatever. So the value in MB52 will be derived from the material master price. If it is price control is V, then it will be moving average price. If the price control is yes, it will be standard price. So the price will come from the value comes from the moving average price. Okay. Value is calculated based on the value is calculated based on the material master price. That's what I wanted to tell here. Here, one point we need to highlight. If the price control is V, if it is V, then it will be MAP. It will be moving average price. If the price control is yes, it will be taken from the standard price. Okay. This is the price control. Price control. Okay. If the price control is okay. If the price control is V, then system will calculate based on the moving average price. If the price control is S, then system will calculate based on the standard price. I hope this video has helped you to understand how the value in stock report is being calculated. If you like the video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and keep sharing our videos with your SAP circle. If 1,000 people or 10,000 people watch our video, my efforts are same. So you can join your hands to make these videos to reach maximum people. Thanks for your support and have a good day. Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you about the value which comes to initial stock entry. So during cutover or else sometimes during any kind of a stock correction, what we used to do, we post the stock into the system. Most of the in the cutover stage, we do that one because in the normal regular transactions using 561 is not accepted by most of the audit things. And even because you're just boosting the stock without paying tax or without having any external document and all. Okay, so whenever you use the initial stock entry, most of the cutover 99%, and 1% of cases, few companies may use 561 to do the stock correction, but they take the respective approvals and they provide respective explanation to that auditors. Okay. Let's go to this area /n Migo. I'm going to do the initial stock entry. We don't have to post and all. We'll see that from where the value will come. And still you can override the value to go to goods receipt, select other. You can give this 561. Material is 251. Quantity 10. And where? I will tell you that one. Initial upload. Plant JKP1. Storage location 0002. Go to general. MS01. Click on check button. Enter external amount in LC. So this amount we can give whatever the exact amount you wanted to load on the material. Okay. And if the material already has a moving average price, then it will be taken from the material master. So here the field is made it as a mandatory field. So now what we are going to do, OMJJ, go to 561 to 561. Let's go to that mandatory or optional fields for the entire transaction. Field selection. Okay. So here the external amount in LC. Go to new entries. 561. The external amount in LC, EXPWR. Okay, this is already available. So we can just come back. Yeah, EXBWR, you make it optional. If it is mandatory, system is asking you to input the value, right? Then you need to input the value, what exactly you need it. So /n MSGO. Same way, material 251. Quantity 10. Plant GKP1 and storage location 0002. Initial upload. Material slip MS01. Check it. So now the amount in LC is an optional field. If you give whatever the value it will give, that only will be coming. For example, if you don't give, how system will behave, I'm going to show you now. We generally keep it as a mandatory field because the risk of missing the value by giving, okay. Post it. So we can see the accounting entries to know the value. So once it is posted, we'll see the accounting entries. Display, go to material document, quantity. You can see here, amount in LC has come from the material master price. Okay, if you don't give, system will take from the material master price. If the material master price is 0, then your value also will become 0. So that's why initial stock upload, the business has to decide that they maintain all the material masters having the price. Even as a consultant, before we upload the stock, we need to verify, okay, business has given 300 materials with stock. For all those 300 materials and for the plant combination, you need to ensure that price is available or not. Then you have to check with finance and the respective logistics team. So these are the 300 materials you have given, but only 220 materials have the price in the material master, but remaining 80 doesn't have the price. So what to do? You have to provide me the amount in LC also. So this amount is the total amount for the quantity. For example, the material master price is 66. Okay, let's go to the material master. Also, we can open in another screen. That will give a better idea. So here, the material master accounting one view, it is 66. And that's why the total value has come as a 660. Okay, it means that amount in LC will be taken from the material master price. If the material master price is 0, system will upload the stock with 0 only. So that's why the 80 materials you have to tell the system, you have to tell that logistics and finance team, these 80 materials doesn't have the material master price. So you have to provide me the total value for that quantity, so that once we upload it, system will update the moving average price automatically in the system. So the overall, the video purpose is you can input the value whatever you want during initial stock entry. For example, if you have not input the value, because just now I made it optional just to show you the behavior of the system. If you have not input the value, the total amount in LC, what is LC? Local currency only. Okay, the local company code currency only you can input. If you have not input the value will be taken from the material master price. If it is moving average price, it will be taken from the moving average price. If the price control is S standard, then it will be taken from the standard. I hope this video has helped you to understand the value source for the initial stock entry. You should ensure that either you should input the amount in LC during stock upload, or else you should ensure the material master has the correct price. If it is wrong price, again, your value will become wrong. So whatever you posted, that value also will be updated in the system. So when you check in MB52 and all, it will be taken from there. If you like the video, hit the like button and keep sharing our videos with your SAP circle. Thanks for watching. Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you about how to block or unblock storage bins with SAP Standard Master Transaction. So the transaction code is LS06. So here you can block or unblock multiple storage bins simultaneously. So let's take any of the storage type under GK1. Maybe let's take it to USA. Execute it. System will show you the list of storage bins. You can block or unblock multiple storage bins at a time. Let me do blocking of this 4-5. You can do for all means you can click on the selection. It can be done all. Okay. I'm going to show you the 4-5 storage bins, how I can do immediately. So here you can see the two icons. One is block and one is unblock. Click on block. You can keep both put away and stock removal block or only put away block, that you can decide. In the blocking region, damaged, under cleaning or under maintenance, whatever you can maintain. And click continue. See, everything is done. Then you have to save, otherwise it will not update the table. This is the way. In the same way, you can do unblock also. For example, I'm taking these 3, I want to do unblock. Click on unblock. Now save it. So USA. Okay. So it has put away block. Click on unblock. You have to click on the which one you want to do, unblock it, right? Okay, it has put away blocks. We can put the flag and click continue. See, that is removed. Now click on save it. The block, it is unblocked. So by using this LS06 transaction, you can block or unblock several storage bins simultaneously without using any LS&W or anything. SAP Standard Transaction can allow you to do that activity. I hope this video has helped you to understand about the transaction. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hi friends. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple storage bins with SAP Standard Transaction Code. The transaction is LS11. You can use any storage type. Give the warehouse number and the storage type. Execute it. So you want to delete certain storage bins. Okay. You can select all and delete, or else you want to delete only these 3 storage bins. Okay. You can select that and click on storage bins. So system has given this deletion flag. You have to save it. If you go back, it won't happen. So you can see the message, 3 storage bins were deleted. So you already saved it. You can come back. So this is the way how you can delete multiple storage bins by using LS11. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update multiple storage bins at a time. You wanted to update storage bin type, or you wanted to update a storage section, or a maximum weight, any field you wanted to update without using any LS&W or BDC or BAP here, nothing is required. By using SAP Standard Transaction Code, you can update it. Let us go how to do that. The transaction code is LS11. You can give warehouse number and the storage type. Execute it. System will show you the list of storage bins. For example, you wanted to update the maximum weight. You can do for all, okay, or you can do for few things. Let us, all means you can click on select all. Specific means you can select by manually. For example, I want to update for these storage bins maximum weight from 500 to 1000. Click on change data, and the maximum weight I wanted to change to 1000. Click on continue. 2 times you check it. See, system updated, but still it has not yet updated. You have to save it. Then only you can see the success message. 6 storage bins are changed. Same way you can update the storage bin type, also section, okay, total capacity, or any of these fields you can update by using LS11 transaction. I hope this video has helped you to understand the functionality is available in SAP Standard without running for any of the ABAP help or LS&W kind of a thing. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hi friends, good morning everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. If you came to our channel for the first time, click on the subscribe button and keep sharing our videos with your SAP circle. In this video, I'm going to tell you that is it possible to delete the storage bins which have blocked indicator? Let us check. Go to LS11, give the storage type and the warehouse number. So there are certain bins which have the blocking indicator. Select two of them, click on delete. See here, only empty bins and bins that are not blocked will be deleted. So what we can understand, you can delete only the empty bins without any blocking indicator. If the bin has a block indicator or bin has some stock, then system will not allow you to delete it. See, nothing happened. In a similar way, you can check any bin which has stock. Select empty, click on indicator, go here, selection options, not equal to X. So you will get the list of bins which have stock. So take this one which has stock, try to delete it. Nothing happened. So if you have the stock or if you have the block indicators, either removal or put away, system will not allow you to delete it. Okay. So during getting that output also, you can filter by using this. You want to have the list of bins which have not blocked or all. Okay. So like that, you can also filter it. I hope this video has helped you to understand what kind of storage bins can be deleted from the system. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you that how to update certain fields in Material Master WM view. Okay, this is similar to other views also. Okay, recently I worked on this kind of a change, so I felt like, okay, let's share it, how to use it. So the transaction code, you can directly go as MM17. Okay. In this video, I'm going to show you that without any uploading kind of a function. So you can select the table MLGM, okay. Execute it. If you want to change the specific materials, you can pass the list of materials. Otherwise, you can give like that. And warehouse number GK1. Okay. So if you want to change for all or you want to change only for few, like I mentioned that, you can take a decision. Let us take specific materials. I want to take it. Okay. I want to take for go to /n SC16N MLGN table GK1 warehouse and execute it. So I want to take only these 5 materials. Okay, go here and use this paste button so that system will copy all the materials, whether it are 60 or 70, anything it can come. Now execute it. So now go to this option where you can see the list of fields. For example, I want to update bulk storage indicator or allow addition stock. For example, I want to update allow addition stock. Okay, now it is blank. I want to update to X, means I want to activate the flag. Put that button and select like this. Then click on this button called carry out a mass change. So it is update for all the fields. Okay. For example, you wanted to update only for 3 or So like that also you can unselect or select, you can do that. So now click on save. So system is updating the allow to addition stock flag for the 4 materials which we have selected. So once the saving is completed, the changes are completed, system will show you the success message. If there are any issues, that will give you. See, message has been issued, everything is success. You can see all the green, no errors. Now we are going to check this one, allow to addition stock. Okay, that field is somewhere here. Yeah, allow to addition stock. These materials have blank. Just refresh it. See here. For all these materials, allow to addition stock is updated to X. I hope this video has helped you to update any material master fields easily without using any other programs or LSNW. You can practice for different fields and different values. It will give you an enough command. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button before you leave. Have a good day. Hi friends, good morning everyone. How to update the themes of the SAP login. We have multiple different kind of looks, right? So where can you control this? I'm going to teach you in this video. So I'm already in login. Just /NEX. Once we come here, this is the SAP GUI. Here you can update the details and all. Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you one business requirement. If you get such kind of business requirement, how to handle. If you came to our channel for the first time, click on subscribe button and keep sharing our videos. For example, you are in a Migo screen, okay? And for example, goods issue for cost center. Maybe let's take any one material which was recently used. Goods issue for other. This is the material to quantity. GK P1 plant 000 to location. Maybe goods recipient Ganesh. So here there is a text field is there. The business requirement is to hide this text field. How to achieve that? That we are going to see now. Let's post this. Material slip TMS01. So now you wanted to make it hidden. Go to OMJJ. OMJJ is the transaction where we configure the movement type. Give 201 to 201. You can access the same with SPRO also, like SPRO, material management, then physical inventory and inventory management. They define movement types, you can do that. So go to field selection key, enjoy. Here the field called SGTXT. This is the field which we have seen at item text. Select that field and delete it. You just delete because we have required and optional, but we don't have a hidden option here, right? So you just delete that and save it. Now you can come to Migo. Goods issue for other, 201 movement type, 17, quantity 3, where tab, GKP1, 0002, location. You can see here the text field is completely hidden. So this is the way how you can do that one. For any other fields also, if you have any such kind of requirement, you can try for different fields for the different movement types. So it will give you better idea. So I hope this video has helped you to understand that within standard configuration, how can you hide certain fields on Migo screen for specific movement type. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and keep sharing our videos. Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you about how to change the material type of a material. It's a very rare requirement and it's very complicated requirement too. Because when you wanted to change that one, you have to verify what are the open documents and any other stock, everything you have to delete, and it's not a small decision. In real time, I never got such kind of requirement. Just for knowledge purpose, I'm going to teach you. So I'm taking two materials. One has a stock, a lot of open documents, everything. And second one is about a fresh material, which I have just created, which doesn't have anything. Let's go to change material. Okay. So go to /n MM AM. I'm giving the material which doesn't have any open documents or stock, anything. I'm going to change to something like CAM. So the old material type is my raw material, and this is new one is CAM. Execute it. So material type is changed. Now, if you just, okay, you can go to MM03, basic data 1, click on information. See, the new material type is Z or GCAM. So this is the way how you can change it. Now I'm going to do the same thing for a material which has a lot of open documents, everything. And I'm going to change to maybe AROH. This is my raw material STO. I'm changing to different one. Execute it. Now you can see the system response. See, this material type cannot be changed. The reason is purchase orders are already exist. You have to remove all the purchase orders. There are open documents, everything are available. So based on the new material type, for example, I want to change to something else, that fat. Okay. See, it is checking that stock new material type doesn't have the status warehouse management. So based on that new material type, for example, the current material has warehouse management, but the new material type doesn't have warehouse management. Okay. And the new material type doesn't have the status warehouse management, still you have a stock. So system will verify, compare the old material type to the new material type. What are the differences? Different warehouse management is active, or the open documents, the stock, whatever, all the details, system will throw in an error based on the verification. So validated stock exists. See, validated stock exists, and documents are available. See, valid stock exists. However, account determination for the two material types differs. So this system will give you that what are the areas are making you to stop to change the material type. You have to clear one by one, then only you can change it. So the main, it's for knowledge purpose. If you get such kind of requirement, what are prerequisites you need to check? I hope you got an idea. You can check that SAP standard documents to change the material type, and what are the areas. These are all areas you can see there also. Okay. I hope you learned one new transaction code called MM AM. This is useful to change the material type. Thanks for watching. Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you about fetching of purchase group into purchase info record. Will it come from material master or will it come from vendor master? So today we are going to get the clarity how system behaves as per the SAP standard. We are going to check now. So first of all, I'm going to show the material master. This is the material. Go to purchasing and select the purchasing view. For GKP1 plant, we maintained purchasing group 002. So for the plant level, purchase group information is maintained as 002. Now let's go to vendor master. GKV5 is the vendor and purchasing data. Going down. Okay, the purchasing group 001 is maintained for the combination of vendor and purchasing organization. 001. So now we are going to create the purchase info record. We know the purchase info record can be created at purchasing organization level or purchasing organization plus plant level. So generally, if a purchasing organization have 10 plants, if you need the same price for all the 10 plants, we don't maintain at plant level. We just maintain at the purchasing organization level. So if any plant creates material for the combination of respective material and vendor and purchasing organization combination, system will get the price, purchasing group, everything automatically. So if you want to have a specific values or specific settings for respective plant, then we maintain the plant also. Now let us see that only purchasing organization, material and vendor level. Click enter. You can see that purchasing group. So when you create purchase info record for the combination of vendor, material and purchasing organization, system is giving the priority to vendor master and getting the purchasing group from the vendor master. Now we are going to create purchase info record for the combination of purchasing organization and also the plant. So the plant level purchase info record you are maintaining. In this case, system will give the priority to material master, plant level, whatever the purchasing group is maintained, that purchasing group will be determined. So finally, the statement is, if you create purchase info record at purchasing organization level only, then system will get the purchasing group from the vendor master. If you create purchase info record for the combination of material, vendor, purchasing organization, and also the plant, then purchasing group comes from the material master, purchasing view, whatever you maintained it. Now we are going to do one more testing. Go to vendor master. Generally in vendor master, we don't maintain the purchasing group. Let's take it, save it. I'm going to save it. So the purchasing group at vendor master is blank. Now we are going to create the purchasing info record, not at the plant level, because if you give plant level, of course, it comes from the material master. Okay. See here, when you're creating purchase info record for the combination of vendor, material, anyway, it's common. For the purchasing organization level, system will get the purchase group from the vendor master. If vendor master doesn't have any purchasing group, it will be blank and it will ask you to input the purchasing group. So although there is a purchasing group in the material master, system is not considering. So you need to input manually. So the final statement is, if you create purchase info record at purchasing organization level, purchasing groups come from the vendor master. If you create for the combination of purchasing organization and also the plant, then purchase group comes from the material master. I hope this video has given you an understanding about the behavior of fetching purchase group during info record creation. If you like the video, click on the like button and keep sharing our videos with your SAP circle. Thank you. Okay, so I will show you how the storage location level MRP works, and we will concentrate on the reorder point only. So when we go to, let's take any one materials which are managed, which are under our plant. Okay. I will take this material. MM01. I will maintain a storage location level data also. Okay. In MM4, we have the storage location level data. Go to organization level, give the plant, and give the storage location. Here we have a storage location specific data. In storage location MRP indicator, you select this indicator to storage location stock plant separately. Okay. And this is optional. For example, we are creating reservation only, right? So we can keep it blank. And reorder point, let's take it 30 quantity. Okay, I want to replenish also the same 30 quantity. Save it. Now, if you see this material, okay, first of all, we will check the MD04. Okay, MD04, it's a fresh material. System is showing the 2 lines because we are maintaining the storage location level MRP also. Okay, plant level 0 stock, storage location level 0 stock. This is what happened. Now what we are going to do, and we'll display the material MRP1 view. We can see CKP1. See 200 quantity, reorder point was maintained. Let's run the MRP now. MD02 you can run because it's multi-level. If any bomb also it will consider, and keep the entries like this. And these options you can keep it 1-1 and click enter. So MRP was run. Now you can refresh the screen. See what happened. System consider 30 quantity which is maintained at the storage location level. Okay, let me show you the material master so that you will get a better idea. MRP1 and MRP4. GKP1 0002. So reorder point, let me make it minimize. Okay, what happened? 200 quantity was maintained as a reorder point for plant level. Okay, and in MRP4 for that storage location, it was maintained. Let's. Okay, so 30 quantity. Okay, we can see here 30 quantity is maintained as a storage location level requirement quantity. So now what happened? First system generated the 30 quantity reservation. See, this 75901 is a reservation. You can double click on that and display. It will take you to MB23. See, this is MB23 reservation screen. 30 quantity reservation is generated. And 200 quantity already available in the material master plant level, right? So the purchase requisition is created for 230 because plant level 200 requirement and 30 quantity separate requirement is available for the storage location. So system has considered the total 230 requirement and created a purchase requisition called 230. Is it clear? So this is what happens. So when you run MRP, if you are maintaining the storage location planning separately, at that point of time, system will generate a requisition for the total quantity and the reservation for the 30 quantity. So whatever you maintain at the storage location level. So now what we are saying, currently my stock is 0, correct? But still system generated a reservation for 30 quantity. That's what I was mentioning. When you ask that one, I don't want to create a reservation when the stock is 0. Okay, but SAP is recommending you to keep it. Then only, so you have a 30 quantity of requirement from specific storage location where you are planning MRP separately, or else a manual reservation also. Okay, leave about that. Okay, let's create one manual reservation. MB21. Okay, 201. Okay, for example, you created a manual reservation. Let's keep this material. This material maybe from 50 quantity 0003. Okay, cost center GK hiring. Not so new year has come, right? So this basic entries are not maintained with respect to finance. Control area GKCC. Setting up for each financial year. I'm just maintaining for one more year, 2022. The transaction is OKEV. We maintained for 2022. Not available in the location. Anyway, during reservation creation, storage location is not what you call mandatory field. Okay, you can keep it optional, or you can next working day 03. So we created one more reservation for 75902. One more reservation we created. Now you can refresh here. See here, system generated one more reservation. 50 quantity we created reservation at the plant level, right? So 50. So now we can run MD02. We can run one more time MRP MD02. So always if you see the stock with MD04, it is always good to see that your requirements, everything. See here, system generated 280. The purchase requisition is still open, right? You have not yet converted to the PO. Because of that reason, system updated the quantity of the purchase requisition to, see, system updated the purchase requisition quantity to 280. 250 to 280. If you have already converted to the PO, then what happens? System create a new PO for the remaining 30 quantity. New PR for 30. Yeah, new PR. Okay, let's create a purchase order now. I'm going to convert into purchase order. Here we can create a new one. Okay. You can just adopt this purchase requisition. I'm converting the PR to PO. Enter vendor with GKV8. So for 280 quantity, I'm creating the purchase order. The cost maybe 50 INR. Okay, this not relation is not maintained. For so we'll just check the configuration. Some SPRO, material management, purchasing. The linkage is there, right? For purchase requisition, define document type. What is the purchase order type which is linked to that respective purchase requisition? Same purchase order type we need to use while creating the purchase order. So what is the purchase requisition type? ZGNB. Okay. Link purchase requisition document type. So what are the PO document type we can utilize it? Test RFQ. Okay. So we need to add any one PO document type. Somebody would have deleted that entry, it seems. Maybe we can make it copy. Do one more thing. We'll go to purchase order, define document types, NB link purchase requisition. We'll just copy the entries of NB and maintain ZGNB. We link that purchase requisition to the purchase order type. We'll create from starting now ME21N. Also, we can go from MD04 again. So MD04. This is the purchase requisition. Convert to purchase order. Click on adopt. So the system will copy the relevant data from the purchase requisition. Vendor we have given. The amount. This is not required for this. Now click on check button. So we have maintained the relationship between purchase requisition and purchase order in defined PO document types. So system is allowing you to create the purchase order. So now purchase order is created. Once the purchase order is created, now you can check the MD04. How does it look like? So in this session, I'm just highlighting the importance of reservation. If you have a reservation, whether it is created via MRP or manual reservation, although you don't have a stock, you can create. The benefit is system will consider that requirement. Now MD04. So this is the purchase requisition was created. So 280. Now the purchase requisition is already converted to purchase order. How you can see? You can go to the display purchase requisition and go to the status tab at item level. System will show you the purchase order. If purchase requisition is already converted to purchase order, what will be the difference if you create a new reservation and again if you run MRP? Okay, so now the purchase requisition is converted to purchase order. See, this is the purchase order for 280 quantity. Okay, now I'm going to show you a different scenario. Create a reservation now /NMB21 201. We're hiring the material. I'm going to create a new reservation for 100 quantity. Okay. Storage location, like I mentioned, storage location is an optional. You can create anywhere later. Okay. Save it. Now new reservation is created. Come to MD04 and refresh it. See, you are going to get a new entry. See, new requirement of 100 is visible here. Okay. What is the benefit of creating reservation although there is no stock? Because your new requisition or respective purchase requisition which you are going to create during MRP run, system will consider that. You can see here the purchase requisition is updated to purchase order. Earlier it was just the system is taking the database for a few seconds of time. It's an IDE system, it cannot be quickly update. Okay, so the purchase requisition is converted to purchase order. 280 requirement purchase order already created, and total requirement we have how much? 180, and reorder point is 200. So the total requirement is 380. Now I'm going to run MRP.
The total requirement 380. How it's possible? Because
no total.
You write
yeah, this is 180, right? I have created 3 reservations. Total how much? 180. Correct?
180.
Okay, let me show you that. Okay. So the total requirement, how much you have? 180 from reservations. Reservation 180 and reorder point 200. Okay, this all the 30 already created. That's storage location level. I'm talking about the plant level. Okay, now if you see the material master MRP 1, okay, say 200. So 200 reorder point, and so total you have a 380 total requirement. Total requirement.
It is
380.
It is necessary to enter reorder point in MRP1.
Yeah, at least you have to enter. If you are using the reorder point planning, if you are using PD, okay, if your MRP type is PD, then you no need. Okay, if your MRP type is VB or V1 or something, you should enter at least one quantity. You should enter reorder point. Okay.
So what is the purpose for this?
That's why if you are using this manual reorder point or V1, okay, then reorder point needs to be given, because system will consider to manage at least that stock. If you don't have any requirements, then system will create a PO for 200 quantity. If you don't have reservation or sales orders or nothing, right, then system create a new purchase requisition for 200 quantity. It's like a minimum quantity what you wanted to maintain for that material. Okay.
But this is the future planning, you can say this.
Yeah, future planning only. So now purchase order, how much we have? 280. Okay. So new requirement, we need like new PR should be 100. Okay. Because purchase order already we are getting, right. Let me give some green color for this. But this we are expecting 280. So the new PR should be 100. Okay. Because if the purchase order is not created, then it is replacing the already tested. Okay. Now we are going to do MD02. Give the material 1. Okay. Now come to here. See, system created new purchase requisition for 100 quantity. If the purchase requisition was open, not converted to purchase order, then system will add that 100 quantity to that, like we have seen earlier. Okay, same purchase requisition is getting updated. So now new purchase requisition is created 100. So the total we have 380. Correct. So total requirement is system has here 180 requirement and 200 reorder point. So the finally your stock should match to the reorder point. It will match it, because the final one, all requirements you have to fulfill, and also reorder point will be fulfilled. So this is about when you are using the reorder point, and if purchase requisition is open, system will replace it. If purchase requisition is already converted to PO, system will create a new purchase requisition. And whatever reservations are created, all the requirements are considered during MRP run. If you don't allow them to create a purchase requisition, okay, for reservation, okay, for example, if you don't allow to create a reservation when there is no stock, then what happens? For each reservation, they have to create a purchase requisition manually. If you don't have MRP, okay, if you have MRP, I don't suggest to stop the reservation creation. If you don't have MRP planning, whether it is a reorder point or production planning, whatever, okay, at that point of time, it makes sense. They don't want to create a reservation, and they have to tell the purchasing department to create a purchase requisition manually for that quantity. Okay. So ideally, according to my experience, not to create a reservation without stock may not be that much recommendable. Okay, whatever I have seen, mostly we create reservation, that will be like a requirement, and when you run MRP, or at least when you see that reservation list, you will see that requirements. Okay, at least MD04, when you check it, you can see that data. Okay, irrespective of MRP run. Okay. That is the benefit of this data when you are checking any MRP planning. So the benefit of reservation creation, although there is no stock. Hi, good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. If you come to our YouTube channel for the first time, please click on subscribe button. I hope my videos will be helpful for you to revise and enhance your skills. Today I came with a video, how to change the description of a transport request once it is released. If it is not released, we can easily change. But if it is already released, how to change it? In this video, we are going to learn. If you like the video, just click on like button and share with your friends. Let's go to the topic. I will take any one transport request which is modifiable, means it's not yet released. Okay, you can easily change it. If it is not released, go to the change, go to properties. Here you can change it. Okay, so this is easy if it is not yet released. For example, if it is released, for example, you take it this one, Tushar project. There is no edit option. You cannot change with SE09 these transactions. Then how to handle this? You have to change via program. Go to SE38, give the program name RDDIT076 and execute it, and give the transport request which one you wanted to change. Execute. So you can see the transport request here. This is transport request and task. Select the transport request and double click. So you will get the description. Now you click on change. Now you can change here SAP MM PO output changes, whatever you wanted to keep. System will give a pop-up. Do you want to save the changes before you exit? Yes. Okay, the description is changed. Now come back. You can come back here and refresh it. See, the TR description is changed to PO output changes. So this one you can use if you want to change the description of a transport request based on your project requirement. You have not created by mistake, you created some other transport request name, the short description. At that point of time, you can use this program to change and update it. Especially in audit cases, the basis team will definitely the basis of whoever the responsible team who is taking care about the transport required descriptions, which project these TRs are created. The naming should be unique, and if somebody has created by mistake, you have to change by using this program. I hope this video will be helpful for you in future during your project requirements. And if you like the video, click on like button, subscribe to our channel, keep sharing our videos with your SAP section. Thanks for your time. Have a good evening. Hi, good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. Please subscribe to our channel and share with our SAP cycle. This video, I'm going to tell how to define which field is mandatory and optional for a moment type. Generally, the moment type creation, we use OMJJ. For a respective moment type, if you want to make it optional or mandatory in specific fields, we have an option here. But if you want to handle more number of fields, for example, field selection here, see here, you don't see more number of fields, and also here you can see the option of either required or optional only. But if you want to have display and you want to have a more number of fields, you need to go and add it. Okay, so where is the exact configuration to handle this movement type level configuration that I'm going to show you now? Come to SPRO, material management, inventory management and physical inventory. And here under movement types, just now what I have shown you, the OMJJ, but here we have a configuration called settings for enjoy transaction and settings for goods movement. Here we have a node which is defined to handle this field selection per moment type. Okay, so both our backend tables are same. So system is giving this display message. Let me come out. Okay, see here. Here you can have required, optional, and more number of fields also can be handled here. Hi, good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. Thanks for your support. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you will get the immediate notifications whenever I upload a new video. In this video, we are going to learn a concept called if you want to get different prices for different unit of measurement when the purchase order is getting created. It means if you want to create a purchase order with different order units based on the specific PO, specific requirement, sometimes the business wanted to order in each, sometimes business wanted to order box, and sometimes business wanted to order a bag. So these kind of requirements, you wanted to maintain different prices in info record. How to achieve that? In this video, we are going to learn that. First, let me show you the material master. We will create one new material. Let's take purchasing, accounting views. GKP1 is the client. We are going to do something like bearing 20 M. Unit of measure each 001 001. Here in the purchasing view, you will find a field called variable purchase order unit is active or not. So first of all, you should activate multiple purchases, like variable purchase order unit is active or not. You should active with own price. So variable purchase order unit is active with own price, means each order unit can have its own price. So you need to select this option, and order unit, you can leave it blank, or you can keep it one specific order unit. Actually, you can leave it blank, and multiple order unit can be maintained. Okay. Here, go to additional data and unit of measure. Here, one bag equals to 10 pieces. One box equals to maybe 100 pieces. Save. Okay, material is created. Now we are going to maintain info record. ME11. GKV8 is the vendor and material and purchasing organization. I will maintain info record at purchasing organization level. So I will go here. You can see here the variable order unit has come by default. This is mandatory to achieve this requirement. Click enter. Plan delivery time 10 days. Maybe purchasing unit 001. Okay. Here you can see maybe one each you will give 20 INR. Okay. See, when you click on condition button, you will see the three options, which condition you wanted to maintain, because you have it 3 different unit of measures and activated that 2 indicator. That's why you got this pop-up. So each we maintained as 20, that's maintained for a bag. Select that and click on choose. System will ask you for 10, maybe you can maintain 200. Back. Click on conditions again. This time system will ask you can maintain for a box 100, so maybe 2000, maybe you can maintain 2200. Whatever the price you wanted to maintain based on the negotiation with the vendor. Click on conditions. This time each Each already we maintain 20 INR. So we maintain 3 different prices for the 3 different unit of measures. Save. So before doing this one, I wanted to highlight one point. For respective /N/M/07, okay, whatever the gross price you are using, right, the condition type, that condition type is assigned to which access sequence. The standard is assigned to gross price. So for 0002, you should have 66 and 67. These 2 condition tables should be available for your access sequence. If you are copying from 0002, no issues, because SAP standard already has it, so that no issues. If you are creating any new access sequence without copying from 0002, mostly we don't recommend that. Then you should ensure that these are available for your access sequence. That's it. This access sequence is assigned to your base, the gross price condition type. So that should be fine. And now we are going to see, I will just show you the info record again. Conditions. See, this PB00 is assigned to 0002. That's what I was mentioning there. We can recheck again. Yes. M/06 PB00. So PB00 is assigned to 0002. So just now I have shown you about the 0002 access sequence should contain the 66 and 67 condition tables. So we use the same PB00, which is assigned to 0002. So the prerequisites of configuration is already available, and we maintain the info record and material master. So the configuration wise, you should ensure that the access sequence should contain the condition tables 66 and 67, and material master, the order unit should have the 2 indicator, and in purchase info record, you need to maintain different prices for the different unit of measure. So the indicator will allow you to achieve these things. Okay. So now we are going to create a purchase order. Vendor is JKV8. Material. We can take the material from here. Okay. See here. The price PB00 20 INR has come based on each. For example, if you change to box, see it change it to 2200. For example, if you're changing to bag, you change to 200. So you can order with respect to material with different order units. So how to achieve that? I'm repeating again. First of all, the access sequence which is assigned to the condition type, the gross price condition type, PB00, should contain condition tables, info record per order unit, and plant info record per order unit. Plant info record per order unit means the info record at plant level. Okay, the info record per order unit means it is at purchasing organization level. These 2 entries should be available under the access sequence which is assigned to the gross price. Okay. Whatever the gross price we are using, for example, PB00, if you have copied PB00 and created a new customized one, you should ensure that the respective access sequence should contain the 66 and 67. That is the configuration wise. And master data in material master, in purchasing view, the variable order unit should have the indicator 2. So active with one price. The same 2 will come to info record. Let's check it. See, the same thing has come to info record, and it will allow you to maintain the price for the 3 different unit of measure. So based on these settings, when you are creating the purchase order, system is getting the different prices based on the different unit of measures. Okay, I'm just showing again. Okay, on each 20 INR, box 2200, bag 200. So system is getting the price based on the unit of measure. I hope this video is helpful to many of you. If you like the video, immediately click on the like button and share with your SAP cycle to help maximum people. Keep watching my videos and enhance your skills. Thanks for your time. Have a good evening. Hi, good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. If you came to our channel for the first time, just click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new videos, you will get the immediate notification. So in this video, we are going to learn a field, the price control in purchase info record. What is the use of that field and how to utilize for your business requirements? Let's go to the topic now. Okay, I'm taking one purchase info record for this vendor and material purchasing organization and plant combination. We'll open one info record. Okay, for this combination, we will check the conditions. Okay, here we have a concept called the control, price determination, date control. Okay, this will determine which price is required. For example, you can determine based on the PO date. At the time of PO date, what is the price available in info record that can be utilized, or the goods received date. Okay, so I'm selecting the option called goods received date, and if you come to the conditions, okay, here there is a price 20,000. Okay, 20,000 price is available for the validity of August 1st, 2021 to 31/12/9999. Okay, so here whatever the old price was available, but GR at the time of GR, what is the price available? Okay, that's what we are going to check it. Let's take any one old purchase order. I'm taking this purchase order. So the purchase order was created. The purchase order was created with 16,000 gross price in 2019. Okay, now I'm going to do the goods receipt. Goods receipt. Purchase order is 91.
and check any confirmation is available. Yes, there is a confirmation is available. So we need to create inbound delivery. So when the confirmations are available, system will not allow you to do goods receipt against purchase order directly without creating the inbound delivery. So we're creating inbound delivery now. Okay. So I'll create inbound delivery for 10 quantity. We don't need any WM now. We'll just do the goods receipt. So I took one IM location. So inbound delivery is getting created. So with reference to inbound delivery, we will perform the goods receipt now. And once we do the goods receipt, we will verify the accounting entries. Whether the accounting entries are taken from 16,000 price or 20,000 price, we will be checking in the system. At the time of PO, the price was 16,000. Later, it was changed to 20,000. So VL32N, here you can perform the goods receipt. So once goods receipt is posted, system will generate the material document and an accounting document. So when you display the material document, you can go through the accounting document also. So let's go to the document overview. In the document overview, you can see the respective inbound delivery number and the material document which was posted. So this is the material document was posted. Click on display. Okay. Click on accounting documents. Now click on accounting document. So system will show you the values. System has taken the price from the PO. Hi, good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel and share the videos with your SAP circle. In this video, I'm going to teach you about a consignment stock transfer from the own stock, means the consignment stock to own stock. For example, there was a purchase info record which was created at the time of purchase order. The price was different, and later point of time, the price was changed. So when the stock is getting transferred from consignment to own stock, whether the price will be taken from the current price or it will be taken from the price at the time of PO. So in this video, we are going to learn that. So this is the consignment purchase order which was created May 2020, and this is the material. Okay, and if you see the purchase info record for this combination, /NME 13. This is the material. This is the vendor. It's a consignment. That is a okay. Give the vendor, material, purchasing organization, plant, and consignment option. See here, when you come to the conditions, the price which is maintained now, it is 120 rupees. Okay, the current price is 120, but the price which was maintained earlier, that was different at the time of PO creation. Okay, so let's see that. This is the material, purchase info category, consignment, display all the records. The T code is ME1P. GKP1, display all trades. This is the material. So the current price is 120. So we'll see the consignment info record change. We have given the vendor, material, purchasing organization, and plant. What is the price available? 120 price is available at the time of PO creation, but now the price is changed to 200. Okay. The PO was created earlier and the price was 120, but now the price we changed to 200. Now we will do the transfer posting 411K consignment to own. This is the material and we are transferring. How much quantity we want to transfer? Let's take 5 quantity. So we need to check whether system will take 120 rupees or 200 rupees. Now save it. System will post the material document and accounting document for the transfer of consignment to own stock because the movement type 411K is used. Display. Document info. Accounting document. See 5 quantity 1000. So the price 120 was not taken. What is the current price available in purchase info record? The 200 rupees is taken as the consignment price. So system has given 1000 credit and 1000 debit. I hope this video has helped you to understand consignment price will come from the info record, which is available at the time of transfer of consignment to own stock or consumption of consignment stock, but not at the time of PO creation. If you like the video, click on the like button and share with your SAP circle. Thanks for your time. Hi, good evening, everyone. Thanks for visiting our channel. click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the new notifications. In this short video, I'm going to teach you how to check the accounting document of a material document. We are going to display the material document in transaction Migo. If you start from starting, once you come to the Migo, select display and select the material document and give the material document which one you wanted to display. In the header, there are multiple tabs are there. Go to the document info and click on FI documents. Here you will see the accounting document if the document has an accounting document. If there is no accounting document, for example, non-validated goods receipts, okay, in those cases, system will generate material document but not accounting document. So in this accounting document, you can see a debit entry and a credit entry, which has negative and which has positive. So that is debit and this is credit. Here you can see the respective transaction key also. So here we can see the stock account, debit, and the GRIR clearing account, WRX, credit. In many cases, the people used to say that I'm not able to see the transaction keys. You don't have to worry. You just go to the change layout, okay? And in your default layout, maybe this transaction, the field called transaction might not be in a display columns so that you cannot see. See, for example, this is the screen you got it. You wanted to see the transaction keys, then just go to the change layout and use this Control F, transaction. Okay, just search with that. You will find the field. Once you find it, just move to the left hand side. Okay. If you want to save as a default variant, you can use this save as and keep it as your any of the default variant. Okay. You can save as default layout and the name also you can keep it, and also whether it's user specific or default for all the users, those things you can decide it. Okay. So the layout savings is a second part, whether if you want to save but you just wanted to see at that point of time, say how to get this transaction keys by using the transaction. So this is the process how to check the accounting document of a material document and also how to get your transaction keys. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, click on the like button and share with your SAP circle. Thanks for your time. Have a good evening. Hi, good evening, everyone. Thanks for visiting our channel. Click on the like button and subscribe to our channel for the future update. Click on the subscribe button to get the new updates. So in this short video, I'm going to tell you that some of the interviewers were asking the question like the movement type in a material document, is it at the header level or item level? If you see the screen, you are able to see that movement type at the header and item. So that can generate a confusion. So whether it is at the header level or item level. So how can you determine and how can you answer that kind of question? You just go to the table level. So if you go to the table level, that will give you more clarity. What are the header and item level of tables? MKPF. MKPF is the material document header. You can check whether movement type is available or not. Okay. So there is no movement type at the header. What is the item level? MSEC. If you come to MSEC, see movement type BWART is available at document segment, that item level. So the answer is the movement type is available at the item level, but not at the header level. Thanks for visiting. If you like the video, just click on the like button and share with your SAP circle. Thank you.